You think you know everything about Upwork? I don't think so. Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z. I help aspiring and newbie virtual assistants identify their key services and soulmate clients so they can start and grow their VA business. And in this channel, I share Upwork tips, social media hacks, content management related topics, virtual assistant tutorials, and everything remote work. If this all sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. And today, I will be sharing with you things you probably don't know about Upwork. If you're excited to dig in, please smash that like button and let's get started. First, Upwork is a numbers game. The more proposals you send, the more chances of winning projects. Wrong! The less, the better. Sending 3 proposals to carefully chosen projects is way better than sending 10 proposals to almost anything you see on the job board every single day. Choose to be selective than being reckless in sending proposals to unaligned projects. Again, the less is better. Number 2, low rates don't mean getting more offers. Clients are actually willing to pay higher if they see your value. Besides, if they know the industry, they will no longer be surprised to see your rate. In case you haven't set your rate yet, I suggest you go to Upwork and search for freelancers with the same niche and skills as yours, and then find out how much they charge for their services. You may get the average rate, or you may charge the same as them or a bit lower or higher than them. Again, lower rates don't mean getting more offers. No freelancing experience equals no chances of winning clients. Wrong again. Of course you can. You may not have the online freelancing experience, but if you have corporate or business experience, you still can win clients. Okay, say you absolutely have no work experience. You can still win clients actually. Clients do know that you are new to the platform and they don't expect to see reviews. But they are willing to try your services as long as you position yourself the right way and you can communicate clearly how much you can help them. So again, no freelancing experience, no problem. Okay, before we move on with the next 2 items, please let me know if you are getting value from this episode, and if you do, please drop the word gold in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it and it would boost my confidence. Also, if you need close mentorship in your VA or freelancing journey, then I invite you to join my Get Hired with Coach Z group coaching program this December 4th. It will be a 6-week coaching program to help you find clarity, set strategy, and get clients. I'll drop the link in the description below in case you want to sign up or to learn more about this program. So, let's go back to the next 2 items that you need to know. Number 4, it's never going to be easy, especially when you're new in the platform. Especially if you have no strategy in place, if you don't know which cover letters work, and how to win your interviews. Number 5, Upwork is a platform and every platform needs to be learned. If you don't want to make time to learn more about Upwork, like how connects work, how to bid and send proposals, how to get paid, and how much Upwork gets from your earning, or when your earnings be available, then don't bother using Upwork to get freelancing clients. Because again, it's a platform. You need to do the work. You need to learn and understand how the platform works. So again, make time to really understand how everything works inside Upwork. So that's what I have for you today. Let me give you a recap. Things you probably don't know about Upwork are, it's a numbers game. not the numbers game where you send more proposals or as many proposals. In fact, you need to send less proposals, but to carefully chosen projects. Number two, low rates don't mean getting more offers. Number three, no freelancing experience, not a problem. Number four, it's never going to be easy if you have no strategy in place. Number five, Upwork is a platform and you need to make time to understand how it works. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you do, please hit that subscribe button below, share this with your friends, smash that like button, and even better, if you can drop the word gold in the comments below. So, till next episode, or see you inside my group coaching program.